70 years of Felder, 70 years of courage to innovate. We are looking forward to seeing you at IWF Atlanta 2026. From a Tyrolean family business to a global benchmark, we've used our experience to define the woodworking of tomorrow. Come along and experience our latest highlights for the big company anniversary. A legend in a tailored suit. The 700 series receives a consistently modern design upgrade for sliding table saws, planers, and shapers. The digital crosscut fence guarantees maximum versatility. It can be used flexibly across the entire profile length and is compatible with all fence lengths up to 10 feet. The world-leading PCS system ensures uncompromising safety. Non-contact, lightning-fast, and non-destructive. Of course, proven highlights like X-Roll for the sliding table and the maintenance-free Easy Glide tilting segment guide are integral parts of the machine. Delivery of the first machines in this new series will begin as early as the summer. Digital perfection. The new motorized surface scraper. Highest precision at the touch of a button. The new motorized surface scraper is digitally controlled in steps of 1/100th of a millimeter, ideal for adjustments on structured workpieces. Once stored in the program, every setting remains perfectly reproducible at any time. Whether it's the F1000, F800, or F600, the Tempera series brings digital perfection into the workshop. Precision from above. The new overhead glue unit of the Tempera series guarantees maximum flexibility and process reliability. Optimized for EVA, PO, and PUR, the tool-free quick change system reduces setup times to a minimum. The electromotive, finally adjustable glue quantity, in combination with special coatings on the basin and roller, set new standards with an incomparable glue joint. Cleanliness at the touch of a button. The fully automatic emptying significantly simplifies color changes and PUR processing. The equipment is integrated as standard on the Tempera 800 and is available on request for the F400 and F600 series. Format 4, Creator 1250. The compact CNC complete solution. Great performance in the smallest space. The new Creator 1250 from Format 4 is the answer to modern interior design. Maximum performance meets minimum space requirements here. Equipped with a 12 kilowatts high-performance spindle, versatile drilling heads, and an automatic tool changer, setup is faster and production more efficient for both individual pieces and series production. Precision in every dimension enables the processing of workpieces up to 20 feet long and 49 inches wide. The horizontal workpiece transport protects surfaces and guarantees ergonomic, safe work at the highest level. Intelligent control via F4, integrate, and 3D visualization makes complex processes intuitive and reliably manageable. Intelligent workpiece clamping and a powerful extraction system ensure maximum reliability during every machining process. Format 4 AutoPos. The fully automatic positioning of consoles and vacuum pods with AutoPos enables setup in record time. Each console has its own independent motor and reliably moves in the X direction to the position defined in F4 Operate, while in the Y direction, the pinpoint placement of the clamping devices is handled via lifting rails. With a capacity of up to 6 vacuum pods per console, the system sets a unique benchmark in the market. By eliminating suction cup carrier carriages, AutoPos also offers the best clearance for maximum freedom with 5-axis units and long tools. Format 4, Profit 60N, efficiency in a new dimension. The Profit 60N is the powerhouse for industrial panel processing. A steel-ribbed machine frame and the dual-sided gantry drive guarantee maximum travel speeds with the highest repeatability. In synergy with the F4 Integrate software, a fully digital production solution is created for precise 2D contour nesting with optimized stay-down cycles. 3D visualization and automatic component recognition allow for full control even before the start. Precision in detail. The Matrix fine grid table with smart zoning vacuum zones secures every workpiece with absolute reliability. The 9 kilowatts milling spindle and the 18 position linear changer reduce setup times to a minimum, while tool lengths are automatically transferred directly into the F4 toolbox via the length measuring system. The 360-degree bumper safety system offers limitless freedom, allowing unrestricted access from all sides with full operator protection. The entire system is intuitively controlled via a mobile terminal with a 24-inch display. Format 4, Profit 60th. Maximum speed, intelligent software, 360-degree flexibility. "70 years of Felder. What began as a vision in Tyrol sets global standards today. Experience 7 decades of expertise merged with the technology of tomorrow. Celebrate with us. Secure exclusive benefits from our anniversary promotion now. Ready for the future. We are Felder Group, tradition, innovation, perfection.